What's going on, everyone? This is the Tusk UTV Glovebox Essentials Kit. This is exactly what you're going to need to keep your body comfortable, whether you're going for a quick trip to your favorite spot or an overlanding trip with your UTV. This right here was developed while we were out on our ATV bikes, and we've now kitted it for your use with your side-by-side. Now, you already know when you're out in your side-by-side, everything in nature is fighting against your body, trying to make you uncomfortable. And it's pretty easy to forget these much needed items when you're going out on an adventure. So we've put this kit together and you're gonna love what's in it. First off, we're gonna start off with these two items right here. This is our Tusk First Line Plastic Lens Cleaner and Polish. And that's gonna be great for spraying down your windshield, your glasses, your goggles, and everything to clean it up so you've got good sight. But then it also comes with this microfiber cleaning cloth. Now this is an 8x8 and it's nice and soft and it's ready to clean your lenses off. Now the next items that we're gonna talk about are over here. We've got our Tusk hand sanitizer, our SPF 15 lip balm, our sunscreen, which is an SPF 30, and then our Tusk insect repellent. This is DEET-free too. This is all great stuff that you're gonna need. And the best part about it is it all comes in its own little carrying case that's nice and easy to throw in your glove box so you've got it ready to go. Now, one thing I will also mention with that bag that this comes in is this has got plenty of room for any other essentials that you want to bring along with you as well. This is a great kit. You're gonna wanna jump on our website by clicking on the link below. And as always, if you're looking for your place to get ready, Rocky Mountain's the place to be. I'm Trent, thanks so much for watching.